Hello everyone, welcome to Engineering Keyboard. In this video we will see how can we model a spur gear in SolidWorks. So let's start. First of all select a plane. I am selecting front plane here, make it normal to and draw a circle here. Go to Smart Dimensioning. Let the dia of this circle be 34 mm. Now go to Features, go to Extrude Boss, select mid plane here and provide the distance 15 mm. Then click OK. Now we will create the hole for the shaft here. So just click on this face, make it normal to, go to sketch, select a circle from here and draw a circle here. Let the dia of this circle be 10 mm. Also create a keyway here. For that go to sketch, select a rectangle from here, select a center rectangle and draw a rectangle here. Go to Smart Dimensioning. Let this side be 2 mm and this side be 2 mm. Now go to the trim entities and trim out this portion. Now go to Features, select Extrude Cut and select OK. Again we will create some depression on this gear body. For that select this face, make it normal to, again go to sketch, select circle from here and draw two circles. Go to Smart Dimension, let the dia of bigger circle be 25 mm and dia of smaller circle be 14 mm. Again go to Features, go to Extruded Cut, we can make it 3 mm. Click OK. Now we want this depression on the other side also. For that go to Mirror, in Mirror Face Plane select Front Plane and in Features to Mirror select the Extrude Cut operation. Click OK. Now we have the same depression on the other side of the gear also. Now we will create the teeth of the spur gear. For this just click on this surface, make it normal to, go to sketch and create a center line here like this. Press escape button. First of all we will draw a horizontal line and let the dimension of this line be 0.45 mm and distance between this line and center of this spur gear, let it be 14 mm. Click OK. Now create an arc here. Select the arc, select this type of arc. Go to Smart Dimensioning. The vertical distance between these 2 points, let it be 3.3 mm and horizontal distance between these 2 points, let it be 1.45 mm. We need the same sketch on the other side also. For that go to Mirror Entities, in Entities to Mirror select these two sketches and in Mirror About select this line. Select OK. Now just close this sketch, create a line here. Now go to features, select extruded cut here, select through hole and click on OK. Now the one teeth impression is created here and we need more such impressions on this gear. For this, go to linear pattern and click on the drop down arrow and select circular pattern from here. In direction, just click on this inner edge. Select equal spacing here, 360 degrees is okay, and in instances 30. This is okay. And in feature and faces, just select this cut extrude feature. Just click OK. Now we have the model of 30 teeth spur gear. Just select part 1, go to appearance, click on appearance, select metal, steel, and let's select brushed steel. If you like this video, kindly like, share and subscribe my channel for more updates. Thanks for watching.